EDUSOFT Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello everyone, welcome to your first step into the world of robotics. Today we are exploring a small but powerful mini computer called the Microbit. Don't let the size fool you. This device can show messages or pictures, sense motion and temperature, play music and even connect to other devices via Bluetooth. Let's take a look at the main parts of Microbit. Microbit consists of an LED display that lights up to show us information, two buttons A and B that can be pressed to make things happen, and sensors to feel movement, light, and temperature. To give instructions to the microbit, we use a tool called MakeCode. It is free, easy to use online tool made by Microsoft. It helps you learn to code using color blocks like a puzzle. To start MS MakeCode, you need to follow these steps. Open any web browser and go to makecode.microbit.org. Click on new project and name your project. Once you open a new project, you will see three main areas. On the left side is the Microbit simulator, which shows you what your code will do. In the middle, we have the block category. This is your toolbox. On the right side is the coding area where you will build your program. Now that you know the layout, you are ready to start building. In the next video, we will create our very first project.